Tijuana Taxi, written in 1965 by Bud Coleman, made famous by Herb Alpert and the Tijuana Brass. I've got it capoed up here on the 2nd fret. Everything I say will be relative to the capo, so if I say I'm playing a G, it's going to look like this, even though that's truly an A. I play most of the song in a 2-string format, which means I'm just playing 1 string in the bass and 1 string in the melody. I'm not necessarily playing the whole chord. I start off with this G chord. Here I'm hitting the 6th string and the 4th and 3rd strings. And then the song. G, D. And I'm alternating the G and D basses like this. G. And then the chord stays with the D7th. And goes back down to the G. So these first 2 chords are the G and the D, back to the G. Then you move to the next chord, which goes into an E. So with the E chord, it's E, then the B note here on the 5th string, and then you go to an A minor chord, and when it gets to the A, and for the bass in the A, I'm hitting the 5th and the 6th string, both open. To a D chord, where I'm hitting the D as the bass to start with, and then going to the A, and then walk down to G, and then C, and then G. And for that G, C, and G, my melody is on the 3rd string G note here. And then the whole thing just repeats. And then it goes into the 2nd part. G, G, A, G, and you go to this D chord. When you get up to this D chord, this D is on the 5th fret, and 4th fret, starting at the 6th string. And when you get up to this D chord, your melody is just on this 4th string, 4th fret, and it holds there. And so you go 5, 6, 5 for your bass. And then you move to this run, which is the A, B, A, and down to the G chord. And so far, the 2nd part looks like this. And then you go to the next chord. And there your melody is 2nd string, 3rd string, 2nd string. And then another B, B, C, B, A minor. And there your melody is 3rd string, 4th string, 3rd string. So these first 4 chords of the second part are D, G, E, A minor. And then you go to this C note and you go to an A minor 7th. So you're hitting the A in the bass, and a D and a C in the melody. And then you go to a C chord, which is a C in the bass with the same melody. And then you go to a G chord with a C and a B melody. And then an E chord with a C and a B melody. And then an A chord with a B and an A melody. And then a D chord with the same melody. And then down to a G. C, G. So the second half of the second part looks like this. It's A, C, G, E, A, D, G, C, G. Played slowly through from the beginning. And they ended up with something similar to this. And what I'm doing there is playing a D as your melody, a C. This is all a D chord as a melody. A B as your melody. Moving down your A as your melody, playing strings 3 and 4, and then to the G.